Joyful learning is enjoyed by the students by listening the classes which were telecasted by SIET through TSAT channel from the last two academic years. In addition to such type of digital classes, he also utilizing Kayans, so the students have been digesting even typical concepts in easy way and they have been showing indelible impression on their mind.
Follow, listen, react.
Curry leaves. Curry leaves are best food supplement to the students and which increases hemoglobin percentage among the students, and it is provided in their midday meals. Every student is provided with 1 spoon of curry leaf powder, and health consequences of anemia in children and adolescents well documented. In children, anemia, physical growth, and mental development, including reduced levels of energy and production and impaired immune system. Boys and girls both for growth during adolescence, and the girls have a continued need to replace iron lost during menstruation. Curry leaves are rich sources of iron and folic acid. So, it is mandatory to have a habit of taking these curry leaves, and it is proven in our midday meals by consuming these curry leaves they acquired immunity power to beat the anemia. Moreover, these curry leaves also in hygienic point of view it is very useful to the students, and moreover it is motivated attracted by the villagers also came forward to utilize this curry leaf powder in their daily routine life. It became a motivational sources for them. neem plant project Neem plant project can be used for insecticide and biosecticide. Azola is another fantastic innovative experiment which is used as a biofertilizer to avoid global warming. Gurrabu Decca is a plant can generate power in environmental friendly manner.
Seed
Seed
balls.
balls can be used for the developing the plantation in our school premises. TLM can be used innovatively and with low cost and no cost, and the students also motivated towards these TLM, and it develops their creativity, and they were fascinated towards the TLM, and easy they can digest even difficult concepts also easily they can digest, and it is developing practical insight in the minds of the students, and moreover the students also fascinated to prepare create uh, to prepare a new TLM with their own creativity, and it became an inspiration uh, force to the students also. In that way, the teachers are motivating them to go for the creativity. Even Inspire program also the students are actively participating, and they are showing their creativity, and in several science fairs the students are participating, and they are getting state level and district level prizes. And our headmaster also motivating the students to participate in that Inspire Award programs. Meanwhile, students are visiting nearby centers. Meticulous planning is made by the teachers to have study hours, collaborative reading, individual reading are being proposed to have the study hours. In their study hours, they are concentrating well and projecting a quantifiable impact, and the quantifiable impact is projected by these results. And last 3 academic years in ZPHS Patipaka of Dharmaram Mandal are projecting continuously 100% result. Sustainability. Regarding the sustainability, the meticulous strategy followed by the detailed action plan derived for the motivating students, the teachers, and community is also self-propelling in nature. A strong platform has been created by dint of parents and local leaders and NGOs and community-based organizations. And scalability, visionary action plan for the study hours and revision plan have been created a rippling effect on the school performance and injected healthy competition among the students, and effectiveness of the school program have been visualized outside of the mandal of Dharmapuri. In that way, it has got the scalability. It became a role model for the other schools, and implementing the strict study hours, creating a lovely environment through the various garden, and it was acknowledged by the state level of Telangana and national level. And our school is a replicable model, and accountability for our innovative practices lies with all stakeholders involved directly, indirectly to make the initiative grounded. And it is said that responsibilities are not assigned but owned. So it has got the accountability. We created heavenly environment with a garden and showed academic excellence with our innovative practices. These practices are going to be incorporated into education policy of Telangana state. Every school should be made greenery. Our persistent effort is enthused to make it a part of SSA and implement all across the government schools of the country.